A round conference table. 8 people seated. Everyone can hear everyone else directly, no intermediary, no phone chain. Person 5 wants to understand person 2. Direct eye contact, direct attention. This is self-attention. Every element in a sequence interacts with every other simultaneously. This mechanism powers every protein language model, every cell foundation model, and AlphaFold. Before transformers, recurrent networks process sequences one token at a time. Word 1 updates a hidden state that feeds into word 2. By word 100, information from word 1 has passed through 99 transformations, distorted beyond recognition. The vanishing gradient problem. Long-range dependencies are lost in the phone chain. Self-attention removes the chain. Every token attends to every other in one step. The word SAT looks directly at every word and decides which ones matter. The attention weight between 2 tokens measures their relevance. Each token produces 3 vectors: query, key, and value. The query asks, "What am I looking for?" The key advertises, "What can I offer?" The value carries the actual information. Multiply each query by every key. The dot product measures compatibility. Apply softmax to get weight summing to 1. Multiply each value by its weight and sum. Why divide by the square root of the key dimension? Large dimensions produce large dot products. Large softmax inputs push all mass to one token, the distribution collapses to a spike and gradients vanish. Scaling keeps the distribution smooth and trainable. A single attention head captures one type of relationship. Multi-head attention runs parallel mechanisms, each with its own Q, K, V projections. Head 1 learns local structure. Head 2 captures semantics. Head 3 detects positional patterns. Concatenate all outputs. Multiple conversations at the same table. Self-attention, every token sees every other. Query key value, the mechanism. Scaling, stable gradients. Multi-head, parallel conversations. Next, the full transformer architecture.